Setting up a new semester course, if you have a previous course that you'd like to use as a template, you can complete that process by following these steps. First, open your new blank semester course. From here, find the menu and select the button that says Import Existing Content. The content type you'll select is Copy a Canvas course, and then search for the name of your current course that you'd like to reuse. You can choose to import all content and then go through and delete things separately, but keep in mind this will include all quizzes, all assignments, and a lot of additional information that you may not need. If you're copying from one year's first semester to another year's first semester, this would be a great choice. But in going from semester 1 to semester 2, you might want to select specific content. Then click Import. From here, you are going to select the content that you want to have copied over. This gives you a complete list of everything that is housed in Canvas for that course. The course settings include navigation items and general setup that you might want to reuse. If you have a syllabus, you can click that. But for the other items, you might want to click these arrows that indicate a drop-down list. This way, I'm only selecting the pieces that I want to ensure that I bring over and not things that were specific to my last semester. The most important and most time-consuming section is this Pages section. This is where you're going to select things like your Contact Me page, your home page, and any other page that you use on a consistent basis. Remember, you may not have named it home page, so you'll have to actually open up your Canvas in a different link and search for the names of the pages that you want to copy over. So for example here, I'm only going to select a few, and the home page is actually this page. And perhaps I want to bring this one over as well. So I can select as many as I'd like. I would also recommend that you select the external tools that you use consistently, any announcements that could be reused, as well as any rubrics you use consistently, and your files. Your files include the buttons or banners maybe that you created for the course. So for everything to display correctly, you would want to select this as well. Once you've made your selections, click Select Content. If you forget something, you can go through this process again and find the pieces that you were missing and bring them over later. This will run the copying, and then it will notify you if there happen to be any errors that you need to address, or at least that they will make you aware of. So when this is finished, it's going to turn a different color, and it will give me a link to click for the issues that I have. So I can go back and fix those later, or I can just decide that I no longer want those. Once that's finished running, the course should look the way that I want the course to look. So I'm going to go back to my dashboard, and whereas before it was blank, you can now see that it has copied over certain things, including when I open up that course, my home page. You'll still need to go through and make some adjustments. Like I would need to edit this and delete all of the previous information. And then I want to make sure that I can go through and that all of my links work. If my links don't work, I may need to go back through the process, or I may need to just link them again if it's to an outside source. If later you decide that you need to copy more things over, you would go through this process again by clicking Settings from the left-hand navigation, and then finding Import Course Content from the right-hand side, as you can see right here. And then it will walk you through these steps one more time, and it will show you the current or previous jobs that you had completed.